Hello everyone. The Jaguar brand as we used to know it will soon cease to exist. 3 years ago, a shock reboot plan was prepared for it because previous attempts to catch up with Mercedes-Benz, BMW and Audi were unsuccessful. According to the plan, Jaguar will go up a level in the luxury segment and will produce very expensive electric cars, which will allow not to chase a large volume of sales and focus on making money. And now, it has become clear what these cars will be. At the Miami Art Week show, Jaguar unveiled the Type 00 concept electric car. Its main task is to demonstrate the brand's rethinking approach to body design and interior architecture. At the same time, some technical characteristics of the production model based on the concept car, which will appear at the end of next year, have already been announced. New logos, new design, new identity. From the previous Jaguars in this show, car remained literally only images of a cat frozen in a jump. And those are only on the small covers of side rear view cameras, which are located in the front fenders. The 2 zeros in the car's name signify zero emissions and the status of a new starting point for the brand's evolution. Despite the electric powertrain, the Type 00 gets a fairly traditional silhouette with a large hood and large rear overhang. Designers believe that this approach will set the production model apart from all other modern electric cars. Type 00 is a large, brutal coupe with butterfly wing doors, a blind trunk lid, and 23-inch diameter wheels. Type 00 is characterized by a number of innovations at the intersection of styling and technology, in addition to the overall unusual design style. For example, the brass-colored inserts on the front fenders can be retracted. Parking cameras are hidden behind them. In the horizontal grille on the stern is integrated ultra-thin lighting equipment. The luggage compartment door is deliberately deprived of glazing, but it is compensated to some extent by a transparent panel in the roof. The design of the two-seat interior too has no traces of the previous Jaguars. The interior is also designed in geometric style, with a lot of parallel slats. The cabin is divided by a longitudinal console with brass trim that measures 3.2 meters or 10.5 feet long. Both the driver and front passenger have a large personal display each, which can be hidden in the front dashboard. It is claimed that passengers in the concept can personalize both the graphics of the screens and the ambient lighting in a wide range. In addition to brass, the Type 00's interior trim features textiles and stone plates. There is no mention of the use of wood or leather. An interesting feature is an additional compartment in the left front fender. Under the sliding lid, there is a separate box, which stores 3 bars of brass, travertine, and alabaster. According to the idea, before each trip, the owner of the car should choose one of them and place it in a special compartment in the cabin. The choice of this element will determine the graphics of screens, backlighting, aromatization, and sound accompaniment. However, on the production car, this choice will surely be made programmatic. The company said that the concept is based on the latest platform, specially designed for the relaunch of the Jaguar model lineup. At the same time, the characteristics of the Type 00 are not named, but the production model on its basis with a power of 1,000 horsepower, which will receive 4 doors, will be able to drive without recharging up to 770 kilometers or 480 miles on the WLTP cycle. To recharge its battery for a run of 320 kilometers or 200 miles, it will take only 15 minutes. It will be based on a separate Jaguar electric architecture platform, details of which are not yet available. On the market, the first Jaguar of the new era should be released in 2026. It will be produced in the UK and sold for a minimum of £120,000, which is approximately equal to $150,000. 2 more models on the same JEA platform are promised. Most likely it is a coupe-like crossover and an executive sedan. Friends, how do you like the new Jaguar? Write your opinion in the comments. It will be very interesting to know it.